courgettes are doing so well. Actually, it's not called courgettes, cucumber. So let me show you. They're doing so well. So we are going to put them on a string that way. Look at the flowers, so nice. And we have our first fruit. Our first fruit, let me show you. Where is it? Here it is. This is our first fruit, and I'm hoping it's the cucumber that is required. Not required, but the right cucumber. So today we are going to harvest green pepper, some eggplants, 2 cabbages, dania, and yes, I wanted to show you the onions. I'm excited. Look at the onions. They're almost ready. We will have them. We'll harvest them in January. But just look how big they are. Onions in between the cucumber. This is a huge one. Maybe we should harvest some today. What do you think? Yeah, and then we'll do some dania harvesting, because we have clients who need dania. And wow, today I'm working. I want us to plant some dania on the tires. Hopefully we will manage that today. So we have these tires that we needed to plant our dania in. I'll show you how to do that, hopefully. And this is our sawdust. So the sawdust will be used for mulching. So we'll use this for mulching. We'll put in between the drip lines as our mulch. Yeah, in between the drip line. This will be a very nice mulch. It will give us carbon, and the okras will be so okay, I don't think I know how to do that, but yeah. Okay, so let's harvest.